Hello everyone, welcome to our PHP registration system tutorial. In this tutorial series, we are going to use PHP and MySQL to create a registration system. So in this tutorial session, I'll be taking you through how the system will look like once completed. So this is the login panel. So if you have the credentials ready, you can proceed and log in, and if you don't, you can just come here and register for a new credentials. So I can register Awiti Paul, then I can have a password created here, so I can key in the password, then I can say Awiti. Can say Awiti Paul at example.com. This is not a real email address. Then if I click on register, we should be redirected to login page. If the registration would have failed, we would have got a message that the registration have failed, but since we are redirected to the login, it seems the registration is working as expected. So I can proceed and key in my user name, Awiti Paul, then the password. Then if I click on login, I'm directed to the dashboard. So as you can see, we have a list of products in the dashboard. So we are able to create, update, and delete products from this dashboard. So for this particular project, we've incorporated the CRUD operations. So you'll be able to learn how to integrate CRUD operations in your applications. So you can proceed and create a product. So you can create a product, let's say phone case. Then the description, I can say blue phone case. Then the price can be 200. So if I click create, then this product should be created. So we are getting a message, product created successfully. So if we go back to the dashboard, we have the product added. We can choose to edit. So if we edit this particular product, maybe we can say red, and we can increase the price to 400. So if we update this and we go back to the dashboard, then we should be able to see the updated product. So right now it reads red phone case in the description, and the price has increased from 200 to 400. And we can also delete a product. So we also have the delete operation. If we click on this delete, then this product will be removed. So till this point, we've seen the CRUD operations that we are applying in this dashboard, and we also have the logout functionality. So if we click on logout, it should log out this user Paul Awiti and redirect us to the login page. So that is a success. So we are back to the login page. So this is the system that we will be building in this tutorial series. I'm excited to have you in this series. Thank you.